Hi friends, in the previous videos, we went through the process of creating user-defined functions. In this video, we will go a step further and learn how to create an entire module. Once a function is defined in the Python interpreter, it can be called any number of times. But these function definitions are lost upon exiting the interpreter. To solve this problem, we can create a Python script with the function definitions at the beginning of the file, followed by the rest of the code which can use the defined functions. But this process is tedious and not manageable. What makes user defined functions powerful is that the programmer can write once and use many times. So, instead of repeating the function definitions again and again for each new program, we can put all the definitions in a file from which the required function can be imported and invoked either in the script mode or the interactive mode. This file having the .py extension is known as a module, and it is the most basic form of reusable code accessible by other programs. Let us now create an example module. Create a new file basics.py containing two functions, adder and tripler. The function adder accepts two or three arguments and returns their sum, whereas the function tripler accepts an argument, multiplies it by 3 and returns it. After saving the basics.py file, reopen idle and create a new file test.py in the same directory as basics.py. The name of the file is the module name. So, let us import the functions of the basics module in test.py by executing the import basics statement. This module name is also available as a global variable underscore underscore name underscore underscore in the module. So, let us print it by executing print basics dot underscore underscore name underscore underscore. The name of the module basics is printed as an output. We can access any function in the module simply by typing the module name followed by a period followed by the function name along with the arguments. Let us call the basics.adder function with arguments 20, 10 and 10 and assign the result to variable a. Similarly, let us invoke basics.tripler function with the argument 20 and assign the result to variable b. We can output the values of a and b, which is 40 and 60 respectively. The as keyword can also be used while importing a module to create an alias for it, which makes it easier and more manageable to use in the program. For example, import basics as BA. Now, the adder function can be invoked using ba.adder and the tripler function can be called using ba.tripler. We can output the values of a and b, which is same as in the previous case. Instead of loading all the functions of a module, the from statement can be used to load only the specified functions. For example, to load only the adder function, we can use from basics import adder. Now, the adder function is available just like any other built-in function and it can be called directly. We can assign the result of adder 20, 10, 10 to variable a. The value of a is 40. To import all functions and global variables in the module, the star or asterisk wildcard character can be used. For example, on executing from basics import star, both adder and tripler functions are loaded and can be directly used like any other built-in function. We can assign the result of adder 20, 10, 10 to variable a and the result of tripler 20 to variable b. We can output the values of a and b, which is 40 and 60 respectively. Do make a note that this method of using star to import the contents of a module is not recommended, as it can clutter the namespace and cause issues if there are conflicts between the identifiers defined by the programmer and those defined in the module or package.